Hi, I'm Margaret with the Starboard Group of Berkshire Hathaway. Welcome to 64 College Street here in Williams Bay, Wisconsin. This cute 2-bedroom, 1-bath home has a lot of great updates and is just looking for your personal touch. Let's take a look. Charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in the heart of Williams Bay. Just a short walk to the beach, dining, and Pier 290. Enjoy updates like a new roof, furnace, air conditioning, and appliances. Features include replacement windows, security system, and invisible fence. Add value with your own updates to the kitchen and bath. Classic wood floors, breezeway to the 1-car garage, and a semi-finished basement with a wood-burning stove. Laundry, storage, and office space. Local perks: $5 seasonal beach pass, $3 parking. Boat club and launch 3 blocks away, perfect for year-round living or vacation getaway. So thanks for taking the tour with me here at 64 College Street here in Williams Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about this house, please feel free to reach out. We're happy to help any way that we can. If you'd like more information about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks on leading your best lake life. Cheers!